Welcome to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner for 20 bucks. And you know I'm always looking for a budget-friendly way to still receive the luxury that I desire. And this time I am making turmeric ginger shots or juice, depending on how you want to drink it. These shots alone cost about $3 to $5 in the store, and I ended up making enough that will last me for a couple of weeks. So all of these things were budget friendly. The pineapple was 2 for $6. The big bag of mandarins was $3.99. I got a bag of turmeric, and that big bag of ginger is going to last me as long as it can. I'm going to attempt to make it in different recipes. But yeah, the winter is coming, and I am not one who ever gets sick. So I build up my immune system stronger starting right now, because ain't nobody got time to be sick.